Hey everybody, we just had a request come in to help you share your courses with each other so that you can work together in a cohort if you choose to do so. And I'm going to show you very quickly how to make that happen. So I'm in my dashboard in Canvas and I'm going to click on the course where I want to add people. So I'm clicking on the Course Development Institute that you all are in right now, the cohort number 2. You are not going to click on this course. You are going to click on your course, the one that you want to be sharing with your colleagues. Once you're in your course at the home page, you're going to hit People. And what you're going to want to do is add people. And you're going to want to remember their email address. So let's say that I want to add Cindy to my course so that she could add content to my course, or she could comment, or we could share materials. So I'm going to type in her address, and then I'm going to assign a role for her, and I'm going to make her a teacher. This would mean that she could see grades, etc. And then I'm going to come down here and hit Next. And it says the following users are ready to be added to the course. So I'm just going to add the user. And there we go. So this is a way that you could add people to your course and share that content. All right, talk later.